Okay, hi everyone, welcome back. This video is going to be about ONDO, and if you remember, when we were all the way down here, I was actually talking about ONDO in my main channel, and I was saying, look, in this area, we are having an impulse off of the lowest low, which is a very bullish sign suggesting potentially the bottom is in, and this move can be a correction structure, and I'm expecting after our correction is over, another fantastic move on the upside, which in it, I'm hoping that we are going to set an all-time high and take the highest high all the way up here about, let's say, like $1.5. So what happened? We did get a move on the upside, but followed by that, we actually got, I would say, a relatively strong move on the downside, and that kind of messes my original Elliott Wave counting here, because I was thinking maybe in ONDO this is going to be 5 wave up into a wave 1, correction for 2, and then this move up that we are going to get, and we did get it, is going to be into a wave 3. But what I wanted to see in this area was actually a corrective movement into wave 4 and then another move up into wave 5. Can I tell you that this is actually a correction structure into wave 4? The answer is yes, but my problem is that in this phase recently, we had an overlapping of the waves between our wave 4 and 2, which is possible, but it is actually quite rare. So I'm gonna say in ONDO, this wasn't actually an impulsive structure at all, and instead, in this phase up, we had a very classic ABC zigzag. Now, this is really interesting because in the previous phase of the bull run in ONDO back in 2024, we also, in my opinion, had a very solid ABC on the upside. And you can say maybe this is going to be a WXY in form of a double zigzag, and well, basically this means our move on the upside in ONDO is over and we are going to start from here a decent bear market. Is this going to happen? I don't know. I cannot give you a clear answer, but I still do see some bullish signs in here, because when you compare this move down in ONDO relative to this strong move on the upside, you realize that this is kind of a slow and choppy move down. That's why we may be able to consider some sort of a corrective movement to be in play in this area, suggesting after it's over, we can have another move up. And this is going to be the topic for the next videos. For now and for the short term, just know this, in terms of classic technical analysis, meaning support and resistances, I think in daily and also we can say to a degree in weekly time frame at the same time, we are having a very important support between 67 to about 73 cents right in here. And as long as we are going to stay above this region, we can actually argue that our move down can end right around this area and downsides are going to be quite limited. What you do not want to see in ONDO is actually a break of this important support, meaning we go under it, do a pullback, and then a continuation of the move down, because at that point, I'm gonna say, unfortunately, we might be heading lower to set new lows and take the lowest low all the way down here about 51 cents. So for now, all eyes should be on this important support area and see what is going to happen to it. Get a very strong bounce back off of this area in form of a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great sign, maybe the bottom is in. On the other hand, get a break of this level, that is going to unfortunately open some more room to some more downward price action. And I hope I explained everything well and you understood what is going on in ONDO. And until the next update, have a wonderful time.